गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू SRS IAS एंड लॉ अकेडमी। आज की जो हमारी क्लास होगी वो मेंस आंसर राइटिंग की क्लास होगी। इसके क्वेश्चन जो थे वो मैंने आपको पिछली क्लास में जो है वो लिखवा दिए थे। जो क्वेश्चंस आपसे ओशनोग्राफी में अभी तक जो है पूछे गए हैं, तो वो क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो आज की क्लास में हम जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे। इसके क्वेश्चन वैसे तो मैं ऑलरेडी लिखवा चुका हूँ, लेकिन एक बार मैं क्वेश्चन जो है वो दोबारा लिखवा दूंगा आपको, एंड देन उसके बाद जो है आप वीडियो पॉज करके इसके आंसर्स जो है वो लिख सकते हो। और क्वेश्चन है आपके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था आपका, व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ spreading of dead zones on marine ecosystems. dead zones on marine ecosystems 2018 का क्वेश्चन था ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था आपका, डिस्कस द मीनिंग ऑफ कलर कोडेड वेदर वार्निंग्स। Discuss the meaning of color-coded weather warnings for cyclone-prone areas. Given by Indian Meteorological Department. Indian Meteorological METEROLOGICAL Meteorological Department. METEOROLOGICAL मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट 2022 का क्वेश्चन था ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था, हाउ डू द मेल्टिंग ऑफ आर्कटिक आइस एंड ग्लेशियर्स ऑफ अंटार्कटिक differently affect the weather patterns and human activities on the earth question mark explain. Last question था, discuss the geophysical characteristics of circum-Pacific zone. तो अभी आप अपनी वीडियो जो है उसको पॉज करके अपने आंसर्स जो है वो फ्रेम कर लो। मीनवाइल मैं आपको आंसर्स जो है वो लिखवा देता हूँ, ठीक है। देन वीडियो रिज्यूम करके आप आंसर्स जो है उनको मैच आउट कर लीजिएगा। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था आपका, व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ डेड जोन्स ऑन मैरीन इकोसिस्टम्स। इंट्रो लिखो, डेड जोन इज ए मोर कॉमन टर्म फॉर hypoxia, comma, which refers to a reduced level of oxygen in the water in some parts of world's oceans and large lakes. Full stop. In March 2004, Global Environment Outlook Yearbook published by United Nations Environment Program UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, comma, reported 146 dead zones in the world's oceans. Full stop. One of the largest dead zones forms in the Gulf of Mexico every spring. every spring. Full stop. The hypoxic zones can occur naturally, but climate change, comma, nutrients runoff from the land and eutrophication, PHACATION, एक मिनट मेरे को चेक कर लेने दो. यूट्रोफिकेशन, PHICATION, eutrophication, are leading to algal bloom and causing further depletion of oxygen levels in water. As a result, that zones are spreading at much faster pace. Full stop. पैरा चेंज करके हेडिंग बनाओ. Consequences of spreading that zones on marine ecosystems. कॉलम लगाओ, ये सारे को अंडरलाइन कर दो. नेक्स्ट इसके 5 सब पॉइंट्स बनेंगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट बनाओ, बुलेट पॉइंट. द reduced dissolved oxygen in ocean water results in loss of marine life, and thus the habitats which were teeming, TEEMING, which were teeming with life become biological deserts. Full stop. Next point. Toxic algal blooms release toxins. Toxic algal blooms release toxins that can poison fish, molluscus, MOLLUCUS, molluscus, CU, एक मिनट, MOLLUSCS, molluscus, and marine mammals like dolphins, full stop. Thus affecting marine ecosystem by altering its food chain. Full stop. Next point. The reproductive problems emanate, emanate when oxygen level depletes. That is, there is lower egg count and less spawning. SPAWNING, spawning. Next point, slow moving bottom dwelling. Slow moving bottom dwelling creatures like clams, 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 comma, lobsters and oysters, 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 are unable to escape the dead zone and face extinction. Full stop. Last point, when fast moving marine species flee from dead zones and occupy a new habitat, they cause overcrowding of their new habitats and affect the ecosystem services. Overcrowding of their new habitats and affect the ecosystem services over there. Full stop. Conclusion लिखो. It is clear that the spread of dead zones can affect most marine ecosystems and have socio-economic ramifications RAMIFICATIONS, ramifications due to human dependency, DEPENDENCY, dependency on marine goods and services. Full stop. Next question था आपका, discuss the meaning of color coded weather warning for cyclone prone areas given by India Meteorological Department. आंसर लिखो. Indian Meteorological Department ब्रैकेट में लिख लो IMD uses 4 color coded weather warnings to signify the intensity of the weather situation and alert people about possible widespread disruption or danger to life. इतना लिख के कॉलन डालो. नेक्स्ट 4 आपकी हेडिंग्स बनेगी. सबसे पहले लिखो ग्रीन. 4 बुलेट पॉइंट्स बनाओ. सबसे पहले लिखो ग्रीन. ब्रैकेट में लिखो ऑल इज वेल. ब्रैकेट क्लोज. कॉलन डालो और इसको अंडरलाइन कर लो. इसमें लिखो कॉलन के बाद नो एडवाइजरी इज इशूड. नेक्स्ट लिखो येलो. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट येलो. ब्रैकेट में लिखो बी अवेयर. ब्रैकेट क्लोज. कॉलन डालो और सारे को अंडरलाइन कर लो. इसमें लिखो येलो इंडिकेट्स severely bad weather spanning across several days. Full stop. It also suggests that The weather could change. The weather could change for the worse. For the worse, comma, causing disruption in day-to-day activities. Causing disruption in day-to-day activities. Full stop. Next point, orange. Orange. ब्रैकेट में लिखो be prepared. Be prepared. Prepared. Be prepared. ब्रैकेट क्लोज, कॉलन डालो और अंडरलाइन कर लो. लिखो द ऑरेंज अलर्ट is issued as a warning of extremely bad weather with the potential of disruption in commute, in alam, then commute, COMMUTE, in commute with road and rail closures, and interruption of power supply, full stop. Next point, red ब्रैकेट में लिखो टेक एक्शन, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, कॉलन डालो और सारे को अंडरलाइन करो. नेक्स्ट लिखो एक्सट्रीमली, इसी में लिखो एक्सट्रीमली बैड वेदर. व्हेन एक्सट्रीमली बैड वेदर conditions are certainly going to disrupt DISRUPT, disrupt travel and power and have significant risk of life, comma, the red alert is issued. नेक्स्ट लिखो, पैरा चेंज करके हेडिंग बनाओ. इन साइक्लोन प्रोन एरियाज द IMD issues cyclone warnings to state government officials in four stages. First लिखो pre-cyclone watch. इसमें लिखो it is issued 72 hours prior and contains early warning about the development of cyclonic disturbance in the North Indian Ocean. Full stop. Next point, second stage, cyclone alert. इसमें लिखो it is issued at least 48 hours prior to the expected commencement of adverse weather. Commencement, COMMENCEMENT, commencement of adverse weather over the coastal areas. Full stop. Third stage, cyclone warning. लिखो it is issued at least 24 hours in advance. Full stop. Landfall point is forecast at this stage. Landfall point is forecast, F-O-R-E-C-A-S-T, forecast at this stage. Next लिखो, last stage, fourth stage, post landfall outlook. Post landfall outlook. लिखो, it is issued at least 12 hours in advance. 12 hours in advance of the expected time of landfall, full stop. It gives the likely direction movement of the cyclone, CYCLONE, cyclone after its landfall, full stop. Next question था आपका, how do the melting of Arctic ice and glaciers of the Antarctic differently affect the weather patterns and human activities on the earth? Explain. ठीक है, intro लिखो. Many glaciers around the world have been rapidly melting, full stop. Human activities are the root of this phenomena, full stop. Specifically, comma, since the industrial revolution, carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions have raised temperatures even higher in the poles, and as a result glaciers are rapidly melting and calving, CALVING, calving off, OFF, calving off into the sea and retreating on land, full stop. Para change, heading now, consequences of melting. चार पॉइंट्स बनाएंगे इसके. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, द आर्कटिक एंड अंटार्कटिक act like the Arctic, ARC, TIC, Arctic and Antarctic, ANTARTIC, Antarctic, TARC, TIC, Arctic, ARC, TIC, Arctic and Antarctic, 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 act like the world's refrigerator, full stop. They balance out other parts of the world, that absorb heat, full stop. The loss of ice and warming waters will affect sea levels, salinity levels and current and precipitation patterns, full stop. Next point, the global average sea level has risen by risen by about 7 to 8 inches since 1900, and is getting worse and is getting worse. Full stop. Rising sea in danger. Rising seas in danger. Coastal cities and small island nations. Small island nations by exacerbating EXACERBATING. Coastal flooding, exacerbating coastal flooding and storm surge. SURGE, surge. Full stop. Next point. Permafrost in Arctic region. Permafrost in Arctic region stores large amount of methane, which is a greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. Full stop. As more quickly the ice is lost, comma, more rapidly permafrost will melt. Full stop. This will result in vicious cycle. That may result in a climate catastrophe. CATASTROPHE, catastrophe. Full stop. Next point. The melting of ice also puts the regions regions vibrant biodiversity under serious threat. Full stop. Many land and sea animals rely on glaciers as their natural habitats, and as they disappear, comma, so does the rich ecological life they shelter. Full stop. पैरा चेंज करके कंक्लूजन लिखो. The solution to all of this is obvious. Full stop. Climate change mitigation policies need to be implemented stringently. STRINGENTLY. ये स्ट्रिक्टली कर लो, जो मन करता है वो कर लो. फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट लिखो. इफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड emissions can be reduced over the next 10 years, then glaciers can still be saved. Full stop. More targeted measures may also be required. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था आपका. डिस्कस द जियोफिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सर्कम पैसिफिक जोन. ठीक है, तो इंट्रो लिखो इसकी. The circum-Pacific belt, CIR-CUM, circum-Pacific belt, comma, also referred to as the ring of fire. The ring of fire is a path along the Pacific Ocean. Is a path along the Pacific Ocean characterized by active volcanoes. Characterized by active volcanoes and frequent earthquakes. Full stop. Heading बनाओ basic characteristics. पैरा चेंज करके लिखो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इसमें 4 पॉइंट्स हैं वो लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिखो लोकेशन, कॉलन डालो, अंडरलाइन कर लो. लिखो a nearly continuous chain of volcanoes surround the Pacific Ocean. Full stop. The chain passes along the west coast of North and South America. From the Aleutian Islands, Aleutian Islands, to the south of Japan, comma, from Indonesia to Tonga Islands, TONGA, Tonga Islands, and New Zealand. Next लिखो formation. इसमें लिखो the circum-Pacific chain of volcanoes and the mountain ranges associated with it owe their formation to the repeated subduction of the oceanic lithosphere beneath the continents and the islands that surround the Pacific Ocean. Full stop. The ring of fire is the result of plate tectonics. Full stop. Next point. Formation of hotspots. इसमें लिखो the ring of fire is also home to hotspots, comma, areas deep within the Earth's mantle from which heat rises. Full stop. This heat facilitates the melting of rock in the brittle, comma, upper portion of the mantle, full stop. The melted rock, comma, known as magma, often pushes through cracks in the crust to form volcanoes. Full stop. The example of volcanoes include द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ वॉल्केनोज इंक्लूड माउंट फ्यूजी ऑफ जापान, माउंट फ्यूजी FUJI, माउंट फ्यूजी ऑफ जापान, कॉमा Aleutian Islands of US, Aleutian Islands of US, कॉमा कराकटाओ आइलैंड्स ऑफ इंडोनेशिया, कराकटाओ आइलैंड्स ऑफ इंडोनेशिया। तो जब हमने वॉल्केनोज किए थे ये सारे एग्जांपल्स मैंने आपको लिखवाए थे, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, हार्बर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ HARBOURS हार्बर्स मेजॉरिटी ऑफ volcanoes and earthquakes, harbor harbors majority of volcanoes and earthquakes। कॉलन लगाओ, लिखो इसमें 75% of earth volcanoes, 75% of earth volcanoes are located along ring of fires, ring of fire, full stop। 90% of earthquakes occur along its path, comma including the planets most violent and dramatic seismic events, full stop। पैरा चेंज करके कंक्लूजन लिखो, as the circumpacific belt harbors 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 the majority of global volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, it holds immense significance regarding the study of the Earth's interior, ठीक है। तो हमारी आज की जो क्लास थी वो यहीं तक थी, और इसी के साथ आपके जितने भी क्वेश्चन अभी तक पूछे गए हैं ओशनोग्राफी में वो सारे फिनिश हो जाते हैं, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट हम जो टॉपिक इसके बाद जो है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे वो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली या तो हम इंडियन फिजियोग्राफी जो है वो स्टार्ट कर देंगे, या फिर हम जो है रीन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेज जो है या मिनरल्स वो स्टार्ट कर देंगे, ठीक है। तो दोनों में से कोई भी एक टॉपिक जो है तो मैं देख लूँगा कौन सा स्टार्ट करना है, तो वो वाला टॉपिक जो है इसके बाद हम वो स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। तो आज की जो क्लास थी वो यहीं तक थी। थैंक यू सो मच।